Do I have anything on my teeth?
Yeah. Oh, I'll wait. Go ahead. Welcome back to another episode of Las Vegas and Beyond. Today I am with Chris and Cathryn from the MIDLIFE RIDE. They're probably over my shoulder as Cathryn gets ready to fill her water bottle with water. So I just got done doing a 360 room tour here at the Mirage. I'll be sure to put a link somewhere up here. We're gonna go check out Snacks, which is here at the Mirage. Cathryn's gonna use her MLife point.
We're using an app deal from the My Vegas app. 2-for-1 sandwich, but we also have a $50 food and beverage credit that was part of the deal for the comp room. So we're gonna use the coupon, we're gonna charge everything to our room so that we can use our food and beverage credit.
Did you notice how good she is at looking at the camera and not at me until she's done? Oh, and if you're new to my channel, please think about clicking on that subscribe button down below. Now let's get started with today's video. So this is the menu at Snacks. There's the burger, soups and salads, sandwiches. I would say average price is about $16 for sandwiches, salads. And then for those of you who are early risers, breakfast burger, 15 bucks, bacon and eggs, drinks. Drinks are 5 bucks, fries, tater tots, tater salad. Hi, Cathryn.
Hi, Alan.
Have you decided what you wanted?
I'm gonna try the chicken sandwich. And I'm gonna get it fried because you can get it fried or grilled, and I think I'm gonna do the fried.
I am getting the Reuben, which is corned beef, sauerkraut, Thousand Island, and Swiss. Chris is getting a bacon cheeseburger, which is bacon, American cheese, lettuce, tomato, crispy onions, and secret sauce.
And we're gonna get a bunch of sides. I'm gonna get potato salad because Chris really wants it, and it's just so good. And we're also gonna try coleslaw, and Chris has to have tater tots.
The total bill was $69.15 with a tax of $446 and yeah, $73.61. So there's none of those CNF or pandemic charges here at Snacks, at least. So we got the food, as you saw. I decided to get the potato salad for the side here. I did get the Reuben, just like I did at Pioche. I'll put a link to that video where we ate at that cafe. This one is what I was expecting though. Check out how high that's piled up. I'm gonna hold this up so you can see maybe a little bit better. There's the Thousand Island right here at the bottom. Okay, here we go, first bite. First thoughts on the sandwich. This one has a generous amount of sauerkraut. But again, the sauerkraut isn't sour. There is cheese on here. As you can see, the Swiss cheese, not a strong cheese. Thousand Island, that's also good. Corned beef is really tender. Very flavorful. It's really good. There is a distinct flavor though. I don't know if it's in the toast or if it's a Thousand Island. It's not a bad flavor.
It's like a pickle, but
okay, that's what I thought, like a dill kind of.
It just tastes like it's been marinated.
On the rye bread, it's fennel, and I forgot, Chris is right. There is a fennel taste. Again, it's not overpowering. It's a really good sandwich. Everything complements each other, so there's not one thing that you can say, oh, that's definitely sauerkraut. Cathryn mentioned that we get this fancy silvered plasticware. I could make a shiv out of this. I'm gonna get some coleslaw. Cathryn said it's really good, but I used to love Kentucky Fried Chicken's coleslaw. And I don't know if it's because it was so sweet, so. So the coleslaw is good. I mean, it is a little sweet, and it's creamy, but KFC has it just one up on them. I also got the tater salad. This one has the skin on it. I call it dirty potato salad. I don't know, maybe I heard that somewhere. It's creamy. The potatoes aren't overcooked, so they're not mushy, but yet they're cooked because it's not like chewing on a carrot. As you can see, there's not like tons of mayo, a little bit of spice. I like a little more pepper on mine. Is that egg?
It's eggy, I think.
Okay.
I like it.
Yeah, I definitely taste some egg. It almost reminds you of like a deviled egg potato salad. I really like their potato salad, and I'm not a big potato salad eater. Cathryn shared her chicken sandwich with me, but before I try it, I want her opinion. So, Cathryn, what do you think?
It's okay. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just, it's not very flavorful, honestly. And I don't know, the breading, first of all, it falls right off the chicken. So the chicken kind of seems like it was the grilled version. The breading is not thick. It doesn't have like spices in it like I would have expected. But really, there's nothing wrong with it. I mean, it's a perfectly fine sandwich. It just doesn't have a lot of flavor.
Chris, what did you think of the burger?
The burger is really good. The bacon really comes through on it. This having been the trifecta for me for the burgers and snacks, if this burger had a little bit of the blue cheese from the blue cheeseburger on it, I think it'd be probably their best burger. But it's still, you can't go wrong with any of the three.
I thought the meal was really good. I've never eaten here, so I want to thank Chris and Cathryn for inviting me, letting me try snacks for the first time. Price is the price. I wouldn't say it's outrageous, but I wouldn't say it's cheap. I think the portion size you get is a good deal. We had 3 different sandwiches. We shared them. I am stuffed. Plus, these sides, I mean, that's a good side. Potato salad. We're gonna have to walk around the strip because if I just sit still, I'm gonna fall asleep. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button down below and ring the bell icon. That way you'll be notified when I upload new content. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. We just left snacks, and Cathryn, like a squirrel, because they have free play money, saw this spin and win, a dollar machine with 3 credit to get the max bonus or max bet. Big money, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. 40 bucks. Ooh.
Hey, it wasn't the lowest, so I'm cool with that.
What do you think, Cathryn?
What do you want to do?
You can't cash out. You got to play out your free play.
You have to play out your money first.
You have to?
So they're cashing out, and they should have a ticket for, drum roll
$4.
please.
That's the biggest we've won, right?
I think so.
So are we going to Treasure Island now and blow
Yes.
the rest of it?
We have to blow the rest of it.
All right, let's do it. I am taking the tram to the Mirage from Treasure Island. Just a real quick look outside. It is super windy today.
Basically, what it's gonna boil down to is I'm gonna wind up stripping. And Chris is gonna vlog full time.
OnlyFans. I'm telling you, do that OnlyFans. Guys, make sure you subscribe to them, the Midlife Ride.
And make sure you subscribe to Las Vegas and Beyond.
Do it. Do it now.
And we will see you guys on the next video and
On the next episode of the Midlife Ride.